Okay. This is the Nissan Primera of my family, and it has been given the title of a historic vehicle. It was facing ordinary problems, casual problems, with the big problem, the top problem, being the dispatch of the tube connecting the fridge and the engine, that it was totally cut off. And my father, Nicholas Stampoulidis, has mended back the problem with a genius, I could say, Macgyverism act. Let me show you. This is the main engine, which overall is in a good condition. All the parts, the cables, the instruments, everything. And exactly here, that we have the connecting tube between the engine and the refrigerator. Exactly here at this point, due to the overall overheat, overthermical heat, the actual tube was cut off, was dispatched from the connecting formation to the refrigerator. So my father thought that instead of going to the repair shop, he took a cutter, he cut the lamp formation of the input of the refrigerator. He then took a llama and he smoothed the surface area of the cylindrical intaker, and he approached, he recoiled the diamond ring in a further inner base, so that the connection between the tube and the refrigerator would be perfect. So under this patent, the engine and the fridge are working, and will continue to, hopefully, will continue to work perfectly without any problem. Something that would have taken the repair shop and some days to repair and fix, probably in the same way, it has taken my father Nicholas at around 15 minutes, and it's totally repaired. It's perfect. The connection is solid ground, is solid tight. So I think that we should always look after the simple solutions without external costs, without any suffering and friction to our own, let's say, workability and efforts, in order to have a simplified and workable solution. So this is my father's, Nicholas Stampoulidis, Macgyverism, and I'm very proud of him. Thank you.